Elite Praetorian card in the mail from the terrific con from a buddy of mine, Ari Whitman. I want to thank him so much for going to the con for us since we were unable to go. All right, so first things first, here is the back of the package. You get 3 action points with it. So let's move on to the figures. So the first thing is you get the base, which I think is really cool. It's different than the other bases. Super excited about that. When I saw that online, I really liked it. And then you get 3 sets of hands, 6 hands all together. I'm gonna leave those in the package. And we're gonna pull out the weapons here. So we have 3 different weapons. And then you have these shields that you have. And then you have 4 blast effects. Is the accessories he comes with. And then the figure itself. Last night when my husband and I were looking at it in the package, you can actually see through it if you put a light on it. So, and it's a very beautiful figure. I love the green color of it. He has his magazine holder on the sides. There's 3 magazines there. Oops, sorry. And then you have your pistol on the other side. The head sculpt is very nice. It is different than the rest of them. As you go down, the new body style looks great. He does stand on his own like that. And then I have not played around with him yet. I just pulled him out of the package. So give me a second and I'll do a little couple poses. Hold on. Here is the figure all set up. I will say it took me a minute to figure out where the shields go, but they go right here on the wrist blades, right there. I will say when I was posing I will say that there are 3 peg holes, so there are more posability for the figure on the stand. Other than that, I will say it is time in the episode for Smash or Pass, and I'm going to say a smash for this because this figure is an overall great figure. It moved very well when I was posing it, and it is an overall great looking figure, and I could not wait to get my hands on it, so I sent a friend of mine to the con to get it for us, and then I cannot wait until November whenever the new Pandora comes out at Rhode Island Con. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.